Today in this video you're going to see how to fix a pen drive case. This is my pen drive with 32 GB storage. Now here it has a problem. Now when I put it in the laptop or somewhere, the jack, it goes inside. You can see it on the screen. Now I'm going to fix it. So first of all, just take the bottom end, take it out. Now push the motherboard inside with a pencil. Now take a tissue, tear it off. Now put inside the case. Now with the glue gun, fix it. Fix the tissue inside of it. And the same way the bottom end. Now push it harder. You can hear the sound. It's now well stuck inside. It's ready to use once again. Let's see it works or not. I'm inserting in my laptop. And here you can see the pen drive. So that means there's no problem at all. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.